Hello, I'm going to show you how to use the Alexicom app. It's just like one of those assistive technology big boards, but it's just on your phone, which is really nice. It's really handy. Let me see if you can. This is what it looks like. That's what the front of the app looks like. It's Alexicom AAC, assistive communication. So when you open up the app, there's just a bunch of different pages that you can choose from, different um, communication boards. And when you click on it, so there's some like feelings, like how are you doing? You say cool, whatever, never, excuse me, those kind of words. And then on another board, there's requests where like I'm thirsty, I'm hungry, I want to play, different activities that a student may want. Um, let's choose on the breakfast board. When you choose breakfast, um, so there's just a bunch of different things that your student may want to communicate to you. So there's pictures of bread, eggs, a drink, and is a good one. There's one that says I would like, next, or I'm done. So there's just a lot of different things for like any situation, and there's also some generic ones on there as well. So this is how you use it. Example, say your student, I want some bread. So I click on the bread
bread,
and it says bread. Let's try it again.
bread,
Bread. Or you can click clear at the top and go,
I would like bread,
I would like bread. It's super simple. You can also go and like record your own boards. It's just really handy, really adaptable. So if you have any questions, let me know.